quiet tonight. Almost too quiet. What's that, PJ Robot? Night ninjas causing trouble?
PJ Masks, I need your help! Night Ninja is trying to steal an ancient scroll from the pagoda.
Not if I can help it!
You need to come right now!
All right! Be careful! There's an obstacle up ahead.
Uh-oh! Be careful! There's an obstacle up ahead.
Come on, PJ Masks! What's taking you so long?
I have a bad feeling about this, guys. We better watch out. Be careful. There's an obstacle up ahead.
Good job!
Be careful. There's an obstacle up ahead.
Uh-oh! Be careful! There's an obstacle up ahead. Good job!
All right.
Uh-oh! Be careful! There's an obstacle up ahead. Uh-oh! Be careful! There's an obstacle up ahead. Uh-oh! Be careful! There's an obstacle up ahead.
Be careful. There's an obstacle up ahead. All right.
Be careful, Catboy! These platforms go down when you jump on them. Remember to jump off the platform fast before it sinks.
This is a tall wall. Use your super cat jump to jump over it. To do a super cat jump, press the jump button once and press it again in the air. Good job!
Oh no! The path splits in two. How will I know which way to go? Cat ears! I know where he went. nearby. Keep an eye out for it.
Be careful, Catboy. These platforms go down when you jump on them. Make sure to jump off of them fast, or stay on them if you're going down.
Well done!
As many gems as you can. You'll get a special reward if you get them all.
Good job!
You there, Gekko? Shows an amulet nearby. Make sure you find it.
The path ends here unless we can open this. I have a feeling that the stones with monkey markings are somehow connected.
Well done!
Blocking the way, but it can't go back now. Super Gekko muscle! Easy peasy, lizard squeezy.
Excellent. Now hurry before it goes up again and it blocks the path.
Nicely done!
stronger here, Owlette. Press this button faster. Fly through it.
Collect as many gems as you can. You'll unlock a reward if you get them all.
I need help from my teammates. Shows an amulet nearby. Make sure you find it. Good job.
Collect as many gems as you can. You'll unlock a reward if you get them all.
PJ Masks, what are you doing here?
What are you talking about?
I have been meditating here since this morning. I haven't spoken to you all day.
What?
The PJ Masks! Nigelinos, attack!
Super Gekko shields!
Owl feathers.
This is not what we practiced at all!
Wait, what was that?
PJ Masks, I need your help. Night Ninja is trying to steal an ancient scroll from the pagoda. Monkey Goo? You let them here with your tricks.
I'm far away. I'm next to you. You can't catch me. I'm Monkey Goo.
Bad monkey.
What does this do?
No, don't touch it!
Super Cat Jump!